Welcome to Krakow, a historic and culturally rich city located in Poland. In this video, we will take you on a quick tour of some of the city's most famous attractions. Our first stop is the main market square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. You can marvel at the impressive architecture of the Cloth Hall. Visit the St. Mary's Basilica and soak up the lively atmosphere of this bustling square. Next, we'll visit Wall Castle, a magnificent fortress that sits atop a hill overlooking the Vistula River. You can explore the royal chambers, visit the Wall Cathedral, and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the castle grounds. Now, let's explore the Kazimierz district, a vibrant neighborhood known for its rich Jewish heritage. You can stroll through its charming streets, visit historic synagogues, and discover the vibrant art and culinary scene of this Bohemian district. Let's venture outside the city to visit the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum, a poignant reminder of the atrocities committed during World War II. You can tour the former concentration and extermination camps, learn about the Holocaust, and pay tribute to the victims. Our next stop is St. Florian's Gate, one of the iconic entry points to the city's historic center. You can walk through this medieval gate, which once served as part of the city's fortifications, and admire its defensive towers. Let's continue our tour to the Wieliczka salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can descend into the depths of this ancient mine, explore its underground chambers and chapels carved out of salt, and learn about the history of salt mining in the region. Now, let's visit the Schindler's Factory Museum, which tells the story of Oskar Schindler and his efforts to save Jewish lives during the Holocaust. You can explore the museum's exhibits, photographs, and personal accounts that shed light on this remarkable history. Our next stop is Planty Park, a green oasis that surrounds the historic city center. You can take a leisurely walk along its tree-lined paths, relax on the benches, and enjoy the peaceful ambience of this urban park. Let's head to Collegium Maius, the oldest building of the Jagiellonian University. You can admire its Gothic architecture, visit the historic lecture halls, and discover the rich academic heritage of this prestigious institution. Our final stop is the Vistula River Boulevards, a scenic promenade along the riverbanks. You can take a leisurely stroll, rent a bike, or enjoy a picnic while taking in the beautiful views of the river and the city skyline. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of Krakow. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the city's most famous landmarks and attractions. Krakow offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos and tips.